Hey, this isn't my normal how-to video, but as you can see, I'm still at my mother's house and I'm getting ready to go on a road trip. And check it out, this is the first time I've ever had to buy a car seat. And this is a convertible car seat. I wasn't even quite sure what that meant. And I guess it means that you can put it in the back seat for front-facing children, as well as putting it in the front seat and flipping this around. Okay, so it's important to find out how heavy your child is, because it'll depend what kind of car seat you're going to get. And why do I have a car seat? Why on earth do I have a car seat, and why is this the first time I'm buying one? Well, I'm going on a road trip with a 3-year-old. Yes, a very nice 3-year-old, by the way. He's a Japanese little boy, and I met him and his lovely mother in Maui. I'm not in Maui right now, but she's coming to visit me, and we're going to spend some time together, and I'm going to show you some videos when she's here on all different kinds of things on our road trip. So I had to get a car seat, kaboom, and I'm not quite sure how to put it all together or anything, but you know what? It's amazing how much you can spend for these car seats. This car seat here is a Graco Contender 65 convertible car seat, and I thought it was a pretty good one. This one was like $140. They have car seats, you know, they have car seats from about $60 all the way up to past $400. Yeah, you can get just about anything that you want. And I have never really hooked up one of these per se, and I like the fact that this one here, let's see if I can't get you in a little bit here. It even had a little cup holder, and the part I liked was because we're going on a road trip, it had extra padding. There's an extra cushion here for his little seat and his back, and this headrest, I'm not sure how, well, I know he's 36 inches tall, but this headrest will raise or lower, and it will also give him the right ability to plug that in and strap him in properly. Okay, so you might want to think about certain things on your car seat before you just purchase one willy-nilly thinking, okay, they're all the same. I sort of thought they were all the same, and I was talking to my cousin. She says, oh, they have 3 or 4 different sizes, so make sure you find out how tall he is and how much he weighs, and then you can make a proper decision on which actual car seat. And here's another thing she said too, was that there's a right and wrong way. Did you know, I tell you, there's always a right and wrong way to do just about anything. And it even goes with car seats, that if you don't strap it in properly, it might not be a good thing, and it might not be safe. So I'm not sure, once I pull this thing out of here, I'm not quite sure exactly everything that's going to come into play. And if I feel that I'm having issues with attaching this properly and getting it the proper tightness to the seat, I can take it to a fire department. I might just take this to a fire department. Yeah, VideoJoeKnows is going to go to the fire department to get them to attach this properly. You can do that in any fire department, and I'm sure it's free. I don't think they're going to charge me anything. That way I'll know 100% assuredly that this car seat is installed properly. And yeah, I'm very excited going on this little adventure with my friend that could become more than just friends. We'll see. I have not known her very long at all. I have been emailing her. She lives in Japan, and she is coming out here to see me. Can you believe that? Yeah. And I'm going to take her all over and have a good time with her and show her some sights. Wow, that looks pretty slick. Look at that. That's one nice car seat, I should say. Now, I'm not going to go too much further with this video, but you know, see right here, this pulls up, and I kind of like that fact, that little feature right there, because once he gets a little bit older, you just slide this up a little bit more to make it where he wants, or she. And my auntie even got him a little thing here for his neck, because we're going to be in the car for quite a while when we're driving to place, you know, in case he wants to set his head over here, whatever. I don't know exactly. This looks quite padded, and that looks nice. And all car seats are not created equal. Some don't have padding, some don't have a nice little cup holder here. And I thought this might be kind of comfortable for him. And see, it had this extra little piece pad here so that he's a little bit more comfortable. This was even quite padded itself. And some, you know, obviously you get what you pay for. The cheap ones, they almost feel hard as a rock, hard plastic. I can feel the plastic under there, but this is kind of padded. But with this extra here, it's plenty padded. I'm liking that. And then see this, you slide this up and strap them in. Let's see here. Right, like that. That will be adjusted, so if he or she is only yay high, this can be adjusted properly. Okay? So I'm going to look at these directions and check all that out. But keep watching my videos, and I'll show you some exciting places where we're going to go, and I've got some more interesting things coming up that I want to try to teach little Haku. You know what? I'm reading the directions, and there's quite a few different directions in here. Okay, and I want to make sure that I get this done properly, get it adjusted properly, figure out what this little thing here is for, and all that. So I guess I'm going to have to take it to the fire department. Yeah, I don't mind doing that. That's what they're there for. And, you know, is Mayumi the one for me? I don't know. I don't know. I think she might just be. We're going to take this time on this road trip to find that out. She's been gracious enough to come fly all the way from Japan to come and see me and to be with me. And she's bringing her little boy, Haku. Hey, keep watching my videos. You'll see her soon enough. Did you hear him? Most fire departments will take your kids through a tour. If you got any questions about that, check your local fire department out. Last but not least, Billy highly suggested sending this back to the manufacturer, the little card, and this will give you any updates later on if there's a recall or if there's certain issues having to do with your car seat. And dabbity nabbit, here's my little directional thing. And he said there's a little slot. Remember, there was a slot on the back side of that. I may have to disconnect that and pull that out and put these in there. They also have it in English and Spanish, usually when you get a car seat. And hey, if you go to the fire department, don't forget your badge. Hey, the window. That's all I got for this time, and I'll be back with more videos.
Oh.
It's not working.
You must have to be running.